If you want to know how can you remove a friend or a bunch of friends from your Snapchat friends list because maybe they're being annoying, they're sending you snaps all the time, tagging you all the time, whatever the reason might be. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to remove them, so let's jump right into it and stick around till the very end. First we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly. As you know, Snapchat keeps moving things all around all the time. Now, after updating the app, you can finally go ahead and open it. So let's go ahead and open Snapchat and go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen, right next to the search icon. Once you are in your profile, you need to make it to your friends list, of course. So scroll down a little bit and tap on My Friends right there. It will take you to this place in which you'll find all of your friends on Snapchat. Now just find the one that you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove AC, this one right here. All you have to do is to long tap on her and a little menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. This one right here. So again, you have to tap and hold for a couple of seconds in order to get this menu. Once you get it, tap on Manage Friendship right here. Now you'll find options to block the user if you don't want them to be able to add you back or find you anytime. Or you can report them if they have abused you or mistreated you. Now if you don't want that, you can still just remove them from your friends list just like that. But keep in mind, after unfriending them, they might be able to go ahead and search for your username and find you again and add you again. So keep that in your mind and let's go ahead and unfriend them. So tap on Remove Friend right here and then confirm the action by tapping Remove. Just like that, they will be removed from your friends list and they won't be able to send you messages or tag you. They won't be visible to you. Now, again, once they go back to their search screen right here and search for your name, they will be able to find you. If you don't want that to happen, you can watch the video again and see how can you block them, as I have mentioned like 30 seconds ago. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment. It really does help the channel and helps us make more videos like this one. And also subscribe for videos like this one to solve your problems. And thank you for watching.